Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can get your BMO account statement online. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you are logged into your BMO account, and this will help you view and download statements anytime for record keeping of taxes. So first, you will log into your BMO account, and once you're logged in, you will see the account section. So go ahead and click that, and then you will see statements, and then you will click that as well. And after that, you will select the account and the statement period that you need, and then you will choose view or download in PDF format. And finally, you will save the statement to your device for your records. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.